Pasha, turn by turn. Oh, you little, lily, turn by turn. God have justice here. Turn by turn. Turn by turn.
Where did you get all the money from? I'm coming from Obiama's place. Do you remember that? Her son. Obiama has only one son now, Ezenna. But I call him Obiam, king of poverty. Yes, Ezenna. He's sharing money to all the widows in this village. I am not talking of Ezenna. I am talking of where you got the money from. Okay, he gave them to me. That boy is giving every widow in this village money. So run fast, go there and collect yours. Wait, are you trying to tell me that Ezenna is the one sharing this money? Yeah, mom. Yes. Now let me tell you. That boy came back with so much money. And if you see the car, hey! God will bless him for us, honestly. Ezobia, with big car.
If not for God, what will I have done? It was a God Chuku. I don't know what to do. Mana Chukwa mego meje. I'm a millionaire. Chukwa fuka mnanya. I'm a millionaire. Obodone kwazenaya. He's now a millionaire. Abuzu kwazenaya. Nabudana muamua. Abuzu kwazenaya. He's now a millionaire. Mama Lubiva.
Cheta, take it easy now. Why are you rushing it like this? Hey. No, I thank God that our son is back. Oh. God really vindicated him. At least he's here with us. I'm so happy. Hey, Cheta, I heard that the experience in prison is highly ridiculous and terrible. Is it true?
Mama, I don't even want me to go there. It is unimaginable.
That's no problem. These prisons are meant for human beings, not animals. It's a human being that will be in the prison.
Hope you're enjoying the food. Now, hunger would have killed this boy.
Papa, Mama, what about my wife? I do this one.
Cheta, eat your food. Concentrate on your food.
Cheta, my son, eat your food. I know you enjoy the food. Later we'll talk about that. I know one. Eat.
I've lost my appetite.
Why?
Because whenever I talk to my wife, my friend will just get angry.
I don't worry now. I'm your mother. We shall talk about that later.
Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out, but I'll be back shortly.
Oh, your food is ready. Why not come and eat it? So that it doesn't get cold.
Mama, don't worry about the food. When I come back, I eat. Okay?
Ezenna.
Biko.
Ezenna! Are you sure you are not going to see that girl that frustrated your life in this village? Now.
Hey!
One is your
Nemo, who seems to be reading me like newspaper. How on earth do you know where I'm going to?
I know you too well. I am your mother. Why don't you let the sleeping dog lie?
Eh? Why do you want to open up old wounds? Eh? Please, come and eat. Then rest. And plan yourself on how to execute your plans in this village. Oh? Let's go inside.
So what do you
Onna.
Nemma for Mambata. Oh?
No.
Ezenna. Mana ejikwana ego megide moye neji n'ime ka ịma Legosi ịma Abuja Egamaka mana ejikwana ego megide moye neji n'ime ka ilelu bicycle ilelu moto Egamaka mana
Ubaka
What is it? Chiamaka, what is it? You want to kill me in this house? Chiamaka, okay? Amaka, what is it? Eh? Allow me to eat this food in peace. You cannot cook. What use are you in this house? Eh? As I wanted to buy this food now, you not allow me to eat it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ubaka, let's forget about what happened because eh?
That is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to forget you and your mother. Because both of you has squandered me. Look at me now. Obaka, PLC, is now Okada man. Eh? Okada LC. You people have removed the B in my life. This is now LC remaining. Eh? This is Okada now. The only is the only thing that I have remained. That you and your mother couldn't take. Look at my provision store. You are telling me sorry. When you are sorry, bring back my provision store that you people squandered. In the name of love. Okay, you know where it come. Look at me.
Eh? Look at my condition. Because you know, small food.
You see this food? Instead of you to eat it, I will give it to my goat. Because my goats are better than you. Yes! My goats are better than you. What are you doing in this house? Your condition. Your condition is better than Nigeria's own. Nonsense.
Ubaka.
You can sit here and enjoy.
Ubaka. Let me use this bed and cook and hold myself. I'll go over. Let me use this bed and cook and hold myself. Nizianu mamaka, Nizianu mo. I know when Ubaka used to love me. Now look at me. Look at what I get in return. Ubaka.
Chop and chop. This is called chop and chop. Enjoyment galore. It's my money. This is Ubaka's money. Ubaka PLC. Ubaka International. Import and exporter. Village merchandise.
My baby.
Yes, sir. I bought enough meat for you with juice. Yeah? It's only you. Only you. Amaka bebe. Amaka listic amakoko. Amakalistic amakoko. Etam use juice to digest it. Love anaga. Yes, sir. Should I give you? Eh? I will pump money on you. Eh? I will be giving you money. You see this your skin? I will transform it. Yes. I will transform it. Your skin will be glittering like glass house.
Oh!
Yes. Drink juice. Hey. So when you eat it, there will be a lot of vitamins in it. So that by the time I will return the vitamins, you return it to me, the vitamins will enter inside me too. That's why I don't want to drink. Because when you drink, oh, maybe me will. Eat more meat. Should I give you more? Huh?
I'm fine.
You okay? I know can I shop that woman. Ask that woman still has shop meat. Okay. I drink juice. So that when I will be drinking it back. If you drink small now, when I will be drinking it back, so you drink big. So by the time I will be with my pipe, taking it back, I'm gonna take it. Another one. Direct, equal proportion. Direct. Direct proportion. Hey! Get with the juice. Digest, you know, yeah. Have it. Time to return the juice. Let us go inside.
I get it returned. It will never be well with you, Baka. It will never be well with you. If I die today, Obaka, my blood will be on your head.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Thank you. But I hope you enjoyed the meal.
Of course I did.
Go and tell them to announce it in the television that you are the one that prepared the meal.
What you, Mama? So, she was the one that prepared this meal?
Of course she did.
Wow. Then you're learning so fast.
Yes, she is. It's just that sometimes she adds too much spices.
But at least it's tasty.
Exactly.
I thought you're the one that cooked too. Anyway, that's nice. That's
like
nice.
mother, like daughter.
I really enjoyed the food.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. I'm happy.
Well, Mama, I'll go now.
Okay. Go ahead. Don't forget to go and greet your uncle, before the news of your return gets to him.
Mama, I will do that, but I don't care if he gets to know first or whatever. But I will do that.
We will try.
I will. Okay, let me be going.
But I will go with you. Come on.
Oh, no problem. Hurry up, I'm in the car.
Mama, I want to make sure he doesn't reconcile with that gold digger, Adolisa.
Don't give him breathing space. Don't allow them to discuss any intimate talk. Oh? Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.
Dikeh, how are you? You grow so big. Eh? Did you miss your daddy?
Yes.
Oh, this is how fine you're looking. Okay? Dikeh.
Good day. It's Don't worry. You go inside, okay?
Wait. Allow him.
Don't worry, I know what I'm saying, please.
Dikeh, I'll come next time and see you, okay? Hold on. Take this and buy something for yourself. Buy bicycle, shoes, dress, okay?
It's okay, I'll do it. No. We have to go inside.
Mama? I'll take my leave now, eh?
Is your
Yes.
Okay. See your daddy off now. See your daddy off.
You can come back.
See your daddy off. What now?
Okay.
Go on.
Well, you people manage.
Hey. Hey, well, thank you.
Okay.
Oh,
Come and see your daddy. Oh, hey! My son!
I'm going to refer the camera.
What done for me? No. See my son! Wow!
Mom, I don't understand. You don't understand what? What is all this daddy all about? Eh?
Didn't you see how excited he was? If you go Dikeh, he's the real channel through which we can get to Ezen.
What jackpot are you talking about?
What are you talking about? This man will start taking care of you and the son.
Mama, I am tired, honestly. I am honestly tired of your manipulations. I don't want them anymore. I mean, can't you at least allow me to take care of my life for once? Let me be the one to handle it. Why have you been tossing me about like I'm a child?
Tossing you about? I become waves and I toss to sheep about. I don't like this kind of talk. All you have to do is look at your mother and learn.
No!
No, yes!
Mama, please do not tell me to learn. Ever since I've been trying to learn, I have learned nothing from you.
Because you have not been smart. Let me even go outside and see.
Mama, Maria, you go too much. They've given you money. What are you going out there to do? You're not going anywhere.
Mama, I'm going out there.
Mama, respect your no wagging. Respect your no wagging. The amount of money you have in your hand, yet you still want to go outside.
Let me just say bye-bye to him now. Okay, let me bring Dikeh back. You might kidnap him.
Somebody hold your bank.
You need to go and get CSM. I don't know why you cannot face it. But do you know what happened? After 7 years, I actually saw him and called him daddy. What was wrong that there's something going on somewhere? Things are beginning to happen.
Mama, can you even hear yourself? How can this work? How do you expect me to face him after all this while?
Why can't you face him? No, tell me what is wrong with facing him? Look, I don't see anything wrong with facing him. If he can leave his house under this rain to come and see you, then that means there's something going on, like I said. Okay, if you cannot face him, then you can back him. You try to ask whoever catches him more. What are we talking about here?
Mama, it is very, very obvious that that young man came here to mock us. There is no way he will ever come here with a clear mind after everything we did to him and his family in the past.
Mock us for what? He's not that kind of person. Not the Ezenada. I'm sure he's not even thinking what you're thinking. When you just go in there, treat him like nothing happened. You gotta go. Yes, and let's see whether the relationship will continue for the next month. Yeah, no.
It's not as easy as you think. I'm not easy.
You get where's your problem? It is easy as I think. Yes. Depends on how you carry yourself. You're being oh, get it? Mama,
Mama, you can carry on. I don't want to laugh.
And one more thing, people. You remember to remember we left you to Asia. Yes, it's all part of it. Don't pay change your office. So why that thing? I don't know.
If you go see a if you no get no see a Chukwa de my pasha, turn by turn. Oh, you little, lily, turn by turn. God have justice here. Turn by turn.
Why are you crying? Ngozi, my mother chased me away after knowing what Ubaka has been doing to me.
Now, why would she do such a thing? That's not fair now. It's not nice. I heard Ezena visited.
Yes, he's in our house right now. Ngozi, look at my condition. Look at what my mother has caused me. She was the one encouraging me to be correcting things from Ubaka. Now look at me.
Child, Sorry. But you and your mother to be blamed on this issue. Eh? You've been collecting from Obaka. Why would you be friends with Obaka for what you will get? Why? Is it fair? It's not fair now. It's not fair. Carry your cross.
Uncle, good day.
You changed.
Yes.
Is this good or what?
It's good. It's good, yes. Nice. Uncle, how you doing?
Well, you can see we are fine.
Wow.
Go and bring seat so that we can sit outside there.
Uncle, no, I don't need it. Don't bother yourself. Okay, yes.
No. You don't have to keep him outside. Ezena is still our son. Ezena, please go inside. I prepared your favorite soup. Onubu and pounded yam. You will like it. Let's go.
Yes, I just came to see that you guys are doing good. I don't listen on.
Oh, we are okay. We are very okay.
Before I forget what I brought for you. Hey, Uncle. What?
This is water.
Yes, I know. Water is life. You need to be taking water for your system. Water is good for your liver. Enough of this will reboot your brain. Milebondo, Uncle. Suppose it now. Okay, I'll take my leave now. None of one.
Nobody cannot hear you. Just one. Instead of cartel.
Isn't like purposely came here to insult us? Yes. He came here purposely to insult us. Well, what is this now? Okay, I'm the one that's supposed to be drinking water. Please take your water. What kind of nonsense?
Mama, you mean Ezena brought a bottle of water for us? After sharing money to the whole people in this village?
Hey, God. What do I need? Don't look at me. Where did I go wrong? What sin have we committed? Oh.
Mama, stop crying. Papa will definitely teach him a very good lesson.
You don't need to blame Ezena. Don't blame him. You have to blame Cheta, our son. Cheta did not listen to us. He never hearkens to your father's voice. We told him to stay away from troubles, but he never accepted until he went to prison. Now Ezena is back. Look at the way Ezena is treating us. He gave other people wine, money, and a lot of valuables. All Ezena could give us is water, as if we are told that drinks a lot of water. Maybe we don't know the value of money or what. But my happiness is that my son made money before Ezena. Oh.
Mama, I'll never forgive Ezena. I'll never forgive Ezena.
My daughter, don't worry, okay? I believe that your brother will bounce back. He will make money again, okay?
Please, be more patient. Our son will soon be out, oh?
It's no problem. There's no problem. We will wait until he comes.
Own adventure. But you just send your 10 million, then I'll get you what you want. But no problem. All I want is the money in my account. We are done. It's okay. It's okay. Bonnie. Okay. I'll be there soon. No problem. Oh, Malaysian Nemo.
No. Hey, please, my husbands. I'll be right back. Probably he's not in a good mood. Please, I'm coming.
I can see his hand. Yes. I can see the bundles.
Edo Timila. Chime fine, Melo me fine. That's small money, my friend. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, take care, man. Hey. Let me have it. You're welcome, my other.
Oh, Kasodogu!
You want me
No.
Sorry. You're not going to be because business. You're not going to be because business. You don't even know how long. It's good to know how. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. I was saying. As I was saying. Yes. To see that she is planning to. I came back with this 50 million. Oh, somewhere there. You know, the last time in Germany with me, I went home each $1,000. I don't know what is going to happen.
Hey.
I don't know what is going to happen.
1,000. Ezena.
Your father.
He looks very much like
you. Remind me of a man. Remember when we were sharing bush? I remember when we were sharing.
I don't know who are. Okay, nobody knows. You know, do you know what they call dollars? This is dollars. No, don't touch it.
Dollar?
Yes, $100.
Dollars.
Dollars. No,
not dollars.
It's a hard currency. No,
not dollars.
Help me. Gift.
Dollars.
My others, what I brought, so you start from there. You start from drink. Get money for the name, you know. Gift. Inside. Take them inside. Take them inside. Take them inside. You know, Miri is life.
Water.
You know, Miri is life. So you need to. You need water for you. So yes, you need water. You need water for you. You need thinking well. Really stupid. You need thinking well. Come and drink.
Obaka, what be the bike where they use the do guy with this? Why you can't drive Okada now?
It is my Okada. It is my bike. Is it your business? It is my business to worry about it.
No. This Okada is not supposed. This one no fits the match at all.
Oh, they go.
This is the real one here.
Junction, how much?
300.
150 now again. Now 150 I go give you. 150 they go.
150 they go.
You spoil our business.
150. Enter.
Come. This guy is spoil work here. Eh? Last. Work you go take time. No come here again.
You not go now. Nobody not come now.
If you go was here, if you go no, get no see Chukwa dem me pasha, turn by turn. Oh ye lily to, ibe ye lily, turn by turn. God have justice here.
What of your mother? What your shop? No.
That's true for Ebere.
Hi, I'm very hungry.
What happened?
As you see me now,
Amaka
is disturbing me. Amaka is disturbing me. I told her to go on marriage. She refused. Let her to eat. It is your mother, our destiny killers. Obaka PLC.
Obaka, it's okay. There's anything
if come, even if it's the one that beats.
Stay away from me. You don't have any right to tell me to stand.
I have right over you. I'm your husband.
I will shout. Oh.
Shout! Let everybody hear. Shout! Ada, shout! Shout! They all know that I'm your husband. I'm married to you. You are married to me. Shout!
Now, it is very obvious you have lost it. I am sure you lost your sense of time while you were in the prison. Oh. You're a madman.
Oh, you call me madman. And then you call me madman.
You're a madman.
Wait, I will show you madness. I will show you madness. Oh, I thought you're running away. And since I came back from the prison, I have not exercised my right on you as a husband. You have been pushing me under below. Now, Ada, as a man, I need my woman. Ada. Explain to her. My time I had a money I spent on that girl, and she couldn't have money to say I'm an ex-convict, a murderer. Me!
You are bothered. What is it?
Mama, can you mind that soup? That idiot that I picked on the gutter. I gave her a life. Made her the envious of all girls in this village. And she opened her mouth to say that she doesn't seem happy to see me around her.
But I warned you, Cheta, but you never listened to me. They are the family of gold diggers. They specialize in ruining people. Okay, look at what they did to you. You don't even know if they are the one that brought the in-law for you.
I won't let this happen to me. No. Oh, Adolis is my wife. And my wife should remain. This is Steve. They'll do us part. We enjoyed my wealth together. And this situation, we enjoy it together. We stay together. Mama, is it true that Adolis returned my bride price?
Yes.
Hey!
They came here early morning with some money and brought it to your father. Your father insists she do things the right way, but she refused and dropped the money on the floor and left.
That's not my business. That's not my business. So long she didn't return the money the right way, I married her legally. She didn't return the money according to our traditions. She's still my wife. She's still legally my wife. Adolisa is my wife.
Cheta,
Mama,
I've told you. I've warned you, leave this Adolisa alone. I never liked her for anything.
Oh, Mama, you must not like Adolisa. She's my wife. I love her.
That's all. Excuse me.
That boy is so proud. How much does he have that he think nobody in this whole community has gotten before him? How much?
Imagine it's enough yesterday. That small boy of yesterday. Anyway, I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all.
Ude, I knew we made a terrible mistake for going to see that small boy simply because he was sharing money to people. It was a terrible mistake. You know, just imagine. Just look at the way we dragged our self-esteem, self-respect through the mud. Yes. Oh, I was ashamed of myself. And it was because of you. You, this Unzewi.
It is alright.
It was your fault.
It is alright. It is alright. Excuse me.
No. Why are you saying it is my fault?
It is alright. We don't have to quarrel over spilt milk. It has happened. It has happened. Let us go.
Wait. Is it not you that dreamt of that stupid idea? This your coconut head. Oh, doyo. You cannot. I know nothing good will come from this your empty head.
Ude. If that whole thing had worked, this one, within Yabu Mbiambia, he would have gone to his usual place to stay. You think I don't know?
Chere. Usual place? Now, you will tell me the usual place today. Enough of this gossip. Now tell me, what is the usual place you are referring to? Tell me.
I will tell you. Wait, I will tell him. If this whole thing had worked out, you would have been in the challenge. You think that the leg that moved fem, the eye that moved fem, sees it. You would have been there.
So, among all your body parts, it's only this your eyes that you can see fem. Tell me, what were you doing in the challenge? How did you see me? In fact, is your daughter working there?
It is your daughter that is working there.
You are talking to me?
Yes.
Me?
I don't fight. I am a network. Hey! Oh, billionaires.
Who is here?
Where is that man? Come out here. Come out here. Come out. Please calm down. Why are you here this early morning? What is the matter?
Your son Ezenna is the problem.
Yes.
He has poisoned our children. Right now they are fighting for their lives at the village community hospital. Where is he? Ezenna, come out.
Please calm down.
Look where.
I am innocent. I did not do anything.
We are not here for explanation. Save that for the elders. Ezenna, you must swear.
You must swear. Please calm down.
Whether you like it or not, you must swear.
I will swear. If that is going to convince you.
Fine. Yes.
Now I'm going to the village square.
You're coming with us.
You're going with us.
Come with us.
You're coming with us. Ezenna, let's go now.
Oh yeah.
Let us go.
Let's go.
Please calm down. He will go with you. Please calm down. Calm down.
We are waiting.
Calm down. Let him know.
You must go with us.
Ezenna, do fast.
You must go with us.
Come on.
We are waiting.
And if we delay, we will come there and drag you out.
You must swear. You must.
Who is that? Naija? Why are you shouting like that?
Uncle Ezenna, the youth.
What do you mean by that? Uncle Ezenna, the youth. Did what?
Uncle Ezen has been taken away by the youth. He is being accused of poisoning small children yesterday. They are taken to the village square.
That's not true. Ezena cannot do such a thing. Who said? Who accused him?
I'm going there. If you want to stay here.
Wait. You can't do such a thing. Mama has to hear of this. Mama!
Wait. Let me ask. What if nothing happens after swearing to the goddess?
Then he's innocent.
Yeah.
Yes, he's innocent. Or are you doubting the powers of the goddess to protect her children?
Ezenna cannot be innocent. That boy is capable of doing many things. How do you explain that he suddenly become rich and he's coming to the village to throw up so much money?
Nana, look, let me tell you. When the gods want to help a man, they do not seek the consent of mere mortals like you.
It's okay. But let me also ask, how do we reconcile these two? Because it is not a mere coincidence.
At all. It is not. But let's watch out. Very soon, we shall hear something.
Hear what, Nana? Hear what? Why are you like this? For God's sake, that boy is your brother's son. Why are you wishing him bad? Eh? Be careful how you wish people bad, though. If not, the gods will strike you dead.
Of course, yes, strike.
Amuzu.
Are you new in Jerusalem? So you have not heard the gist about Ezenaya? You have not?
Ezenaya is guilty, so he deserves to die.
Ego, it is you that will die. Did you hear me? You die first. I don't even know why you hate Ezenaya so much. What is your stress? When he was poor, we all know that it is because he was a poor man. That was why you hated him. Now that he has made money. What is your stress? Give me Maggie.
So, would you said me will die.
First,
it's you that will die. It is you that will die. See, don't insult me. Don't insult me. Don't even try it.
If she does, what will you do? If she does, what will you do? Please go and hide. Or else we'll beat you up here. Don't get to walk back and like now, right here now. As if your girlfriend's husband would do what Ezenaya would have done for us in this community. Oh, rubbish. Ask her.
Anyways, I don't blame you girls at all. I blame myself for stopping here to talk to low lives like you. Meanwhile, you're not even my class. So I don't know why I should talk to you in the first place.
Ego, come. Class without level. Shame on you, Ego. Look at you. You went to school, right? What are you doing in this village? Roaming about in this village like a fool.
Are you willing to swear by Ogugwago that you are innocent of the accusation?
I am ready to swear. I am innocent.
Step in here.
Repeat after me. If I am guilty.
If I am guilty of what they accused me of.
Let Ogugwago strike me dead.
Let Ogugwago strike me dead.
Give me. Go back.
Nah. Well, let's go.
Mama, why are all these things happening to me? Why? Everybody now thinks I'm guilty. My hands are clean, for God's sake. My hands are clean.
My son, allow God to fight for you. He's a righteous God. He's the father to the fatherless. As long as you're innocent, it does not matter what anyone thinks. Oh?
Mama, do you think I'm capable of doing what they accused me of?
Ezenna, my son, life has taught me a lot of lessons. Life has equally dealt with me harshly, but I've never lost hope, and I will not lose hope. You may be a lot of things, but my son is not a murderer. You are not, so don't worry. God will take control. Oh? Oh?
Mama, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. We can now go.
Who is here? What is that? Barking like a dog. Audrey?
Hey, Ndidamaka.
I'm sure you heard what I said.
Did I just hear you call me what?
Mad dog. I feel.
I don't blame you. No. I don't blame you because I washed my beautiful legs to step into this your hopeless home. Hey. You had the effrontery to insult me. I don't blame you.
It's not legs. Because you got them. Which one? This one's. Hey! My friend, please. Please, just get out of my house.
I came to warn you and your imbecile daughter. Be very careful with my son.
Which son?
Be very, very careful with my son!
Now, which son are we talking about? That he goat? Eh? My friend, you call my daughter imbecile. That is what your son is. Besides, let me ask you, is marriage by force? Is it by force?
How much what is your nomenclature?
Hey, Osupia!
0 equals to cannot. Capital cannot. That's what you are.
Nomenclature cannot.
Yes, that is what you are.
You have forgotten you used to come last in class.
And so what?
Pass. So nomenclature, that's the only thing you picked up from that school. How much what is your what? Nomenclature.
Ndidamaka, I know that your daughter might not be important to you, but remember, Cheta is my beloved son. Be careful.
Your son is a murderer. Do you even know why he went to jail? Your son murdered his girlfriend in his city house. Are you aware of that? Eh? Ineko, my special son. Do you even have a special son? Wait, I hope people are not into ritual, both of you. Because it might be you that would send him to go and behead people. Oh, is that what you wanted to use my daughter for? Oh, well, I like it.
Okay, I've heard you. But remember, my son was set free because he was vindicated.
No!
So don't think it's because of he did this, he did that. That's not why I'm here. Why I'm here is for you to be very careful. You and your daughter. Oh, that's just why I'm here.
Mama, you will never change. You're always so loud and everything. Get out of my compound, can you?
If not for one thing, I could have shown you that I'm Mama.
If I fall upon you,
anyway, I don't have much to say.
No, you won't.
But let me tell you, whether you like it or not, my son must marry your daughter.
My daughter will never marry your son.
Let's bait.
My daughter will never marry your son. Okay. Respect. You don't even know what I'm doing for you. My daughter came to your house to lift you people up. If you ever say,
Nurse, how long are we going to stay here before we see the doctor? We've been here.
She's busy. Patience.
Mama, good day, ma. This is you?
Wait.
What?
Chichi.
Mama, good day.
How are you, my
I'm fine.
What are you doing here?
Really? I should be asking you that. What are you doing here? This is my office. I'm the doctor here.
Excuse me. You're the doctor taking care of this place?
Yes. Am I not the doctor here?
You are. Yes.
You see?
Wow.
How are you? Doing? Thank you. So you got back and you didn't tell me.
My dear, don't mind me, so much running around, business here and there, making money.
Look at you. It's enough to have it to you. Mama, you look so good. So, what brought you here?
Some children we have brought here. So, I'm because of that.
Oh, those kids. They got affected by food poisoning.
Poison?
How? Guess what?
Food poison?
Yes, food poisoning.
Who could have poisoned them? How?
Okay, it's fine. It's nothing serious, okay? Food poisoning can be caused by a lot of factors. Unclean environment, contaminated food, expired food, spoiled food, or even fake food. So, it's not what you think.
But how come it affected all the children I gave something? How come?
Yeah, that is possible. Probably because you bought the same item for them. And that item might either be contaminated, spoiled, expired, or even fake. But it's okay. Do you remember where you bought it from? And when you bought it, did you check the expiring dates?
I didn't check, but I know the pack must be lying down somewhere in the compound. But gift my sister was a person who went to get those gifts. So she must know where she bought them from.
I know where she bought it.
Oh, Mama, you do?
Yes.
That's fine. It's okay. It's nothing to panic about, okay? We already started treatment on them and they're improving very fast. But we need that evidence to actually prove to the people that you didn't try to kill their kids. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so would you like to see the kids?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay, but one more thing, please. We need those evidence to prove that you didn't try to kill them.
It's okay.
It's very important. We need to prove to them that they were actually wrong because things like this happening.
You're sure you bought those things from this shop? From this shop?
Yeah, she came.
Oh, so you're the cause of the problem I've been having. So you're the cause.
I don't understand.
How? You're finished.
Everything you have here is fake.
You're finished.
No.
Everything is expired, contaminated. Oh my God! What?
No. Has it expired or not?
That's bad.
Please don't be angry. I bought it from Obaka.
What's from Obaka?
Obaka Yebuta.
Okay.
Obaka will kill you today.
You end
Please
up
don't be angry. I'll pack everything. No worries.
Don't move. Stay there.
Please.
Hey,
hello, DPO.
Don't you move. Don't you stay there.
Yes, this is Dr. Chichi.
Madam, it doesn't go into that. Please.
Yes, exactly what I told you. I'm here. Please come with your men. Yes, exactly.
Auntie Ada.
Wait,
Auntie, good evening.
how are you?
I'm fine, though. There's something I want to tell you, but I don't know how to say it.
Say whatever it is you want to say. I'm all ears.
Auntie, this thing, I just have to say it so that it don't look like I'm a gossip.
Meze, talk now. What is it?
Auntie, I saw Uncle Ezenna and Chichi walking and talking. Not only talking though, even romancing, touching each other.
What? Wait, you saw Ezenna and Chichi touching and holding hands? I don't understand. Where?
At Solomon's supermarket. Maybe they went there to get one or two.
Ezenna took Chichi shopping.
Wow. Chichi.
Chichi? So this is it, Okuya? Mr. Wadro, Monsieur, thank you very much for this information. You have done a good job. Thank you.
Let me just not go into mother shop before she's taking for me. You know I'm still
Don't worry, let me get you something. Thank you very much. But always keep an eye on them.
That one is settled, I will. I will. Auntie Ada.
After careful investigation into the matter that led to the hospitalization of our children, we come to conclusion that Ezenna here is totally innocent of all the accusations levied against him. The children ate snacks brought from Solomon's store. We have come to plead to you, Ezenna, to please forgive us.
Listen, to err is you, to forgive is divine. Yes, we have come to apologize to you for the humiliation you took about this. Yes, sir. May I also use this opportunity to express my joy and happiness to my daughter, our doctor. She was so helpful all through the period.
Thank you, my father. May I also use this opportunity to educate you about food poisoning. Food poisoning can be caused by contaminated, spoiled, expired, or toxic. And the symptoms of food poisoning are cramps, headache, fever, name it. So I want to use this same opportunity to beg you to please make sure you check the NAFDAC number of anything you consume. The expiring dates, the manufacturing date, it's very important. Because whatever happens to you happens to me. You're my brothers, my sisters, my mothers, my fathers. So whatever happens to you happens to me. Please, I beg you, we all have to be careful. Thank you.
Chichi, thank you very much. She's wonderful. Okay? It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'll go.
Bring the wood and man. Everything said is okay. It's okay.
Listen, I've heard all that you said, right? Huh? When she comes back, I will relate everything to her. Whatever she says, I'll get back to you. Huh?
Thank you very much, sir. I wish she accepts my proposal. And I would like you to put it in words.
Well, I know she has the capability to decide on issues that concern her. After all, she's the one marrying, not I.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Ezenna, be rest assured that whatever happens, I still see you as my son. After all, you know I've been treating you like that, like my own son. Alright, so no problem. Everything will be fine.
Oh, you are beautiful. You see, today, I am happy and I am sad. You know why I'm sad? My wife, her mother. Oh, I'm sad because she's not here to physically witness this ceremony. However, I know she will be happy wherever she is because of what is happening today. So I am happy. Chichiwam,
Yes, Papa.
your bride prize has been received in peace. It's from me, eh? And I want you to take this one. Go and show us that man who is bold enough to take you away from us to spend the rest of his life with you. Eh? Okay, take.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, my beautiful daughter.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey! So this is true. Husband snatcher! So this is true, Chichi!
Stop it. I loved you, but now I'm in love with another. Okay?
Mba, no.
This is my wife.
No, she cannot be your wife. I am your wife. Remember we had a child together. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I was hypnotized or something. Please don't leave me. Dikeh, our son, he wants to see you, please.
Adolisa, go on and being hypnotized. Okay? As for our son, I'll come for him.
Because of Chichi. Eh? You! I will come for you! I swear I will come for you! You shall see!
My lord. Chichi, kneel down, let me bless you.
Ifuga kuwasi adia, ifuga no genu si adia. Chukwa dia mepasha tambaita, oye lilitu tibe ye lili tambaita. God of justice, what will I have done? It was a good joke. I don't know what to do. Man, I joke with me go measure. I'm a millionaire. Joke with Fukamania. I'm a millionaire. Obodo ne kwaze na yo. It's now a millionaire. Abuzu kwaze na yo. Abuzu kwaze na yo. It's now a millionaire. Mama. money no get enemy. If you let go, I will go enemy mancha. I want my go one if you go, or the go will enemy.